Ramogi wasudo gi weche mamoko manyien. Jatend piny William Ruto kawuono ne oyudo siling $350 kowuok e bengi mar World Bank ne chenro mar bero bombe ma pachoka. Ruto moloso e nyasi mar sidho tielo mar ariyo mar chenro mag dongo bombe okoni nitiere dwaro mar duoko chien dongruok e boma ma Nairobi kendo mondo chenro mag gero uchumi chwal nyaka e bombe mamoko mantie pachoka. Owacho ni chenro mag bero kuonde dak e bombe mamoko ma pachoka kod gwenge nyalo konyo e duoko chien dongruok mag ji ka bende ojiwo counties mondo jiw choko magi mag osuru e yo mowinjore mabiro konyo e neno ni counties obedo kod nyalo mar dongo bombe magi. Tielo mar ariyo mar chenrono ma otis ni Kenya Urban Support Program owinjore okony bero chal mag munisipaa maromo 77 ma pachoka ka Nairobi kod Mombasa to olornegi oko.
The World Bank of GDP and are therefore central to it in its second phase, the Kenya Urban Support.
The synergy between the Kenya Urban Support Program and our bottom-up economic transformation agenda is unmistakable. In particular, the program's alignment with the affordable housing strategy pillar presents a unique opportunity to invest in urban infrastructure that supports the realization of the affordable housing objectives in order to deliver holistic, sustainable, and inclusive urban development.
The majority of our people walk to work or to play in our cities. They need safe walking ways that we call non-motorized transport, or NMT. We must embrace the opportunities presented by urbanization while addressing its associated complexities.
If you look at some of the things that Mombasa has to grapple with and Kisumu has to grapple with, and Nairobi, for instance, street lighting. Street lighting, the bill is on the county, but if we switch off the lights, it's a national security problem.
So today, we stand at the brink of a new chapter in the country's urban development journey with the approval of the $300 million World Bank credit for this second phase of CUSP. CUSP 2 represents a continuation of our shared vision for sustainable urban development in Kenya.